this time around, ma'am, he was really motivated by the people who is around him, giving him much support compared to last year, most especially to his advisor, the principal, his coaches.
They also have their training there in their place as with their coach. So as Edgar shared to me, like they gathered Tony's friends and let them motivate Tony when they have their training. Like, oh, you help Tony cheer. Let's cheer for Tony.
He wanted to be different. I think that's his point. He wanted things to be different for him, especially right now that he was given the chance to really try and give his best. His venture in sports started at age 11, and he doesn't want his situation limit his experience in life. So not really the same with the rest, because of his situation. He really wants to give his best, to go beyond his limitations, to try to experience the world. The first step in our training, the bond, we created the bond, then we trained for, I think, 1 week. Sa semana to nino? For 1 week straight, every evening, 5 to 7 p.m., running, jumping, except for the shot put because we don't have the ball here in school. So we practice the shot put in the event itself. We tried a rubber ball, but the rubber ball isn't really heavy. So we just practiced his figure, his movement, so that we won't be disqualified during his actual play. But there's a huge difference, ma'am, with the ball that is used. It is actually 6 kilograms, and I could really see Tony struggling to keep it behind his ears. Because that is what the regulation says. When it comes to support, ma'am, we'd really like to have the shot put ball, because as I said a while ago, ma'am, during our training for shot put, we haven't really had the chance to hold the ball during our training. So that is one of the things that we would like to request from the government here in Toledo City. Aside from that, also the running shoes. I do believe that athletes, though, are very talented, ma'am. The equipment that they are using plays a very big role in their performance. It's best that we also have the best equipment and materials such as shoes and the garments used during that event. Tony is very excited. Tony, will we train again? When will we see the other trainers? He's very excited. And I'm very happy to sa yung eagerness that he's showing for the entire month of June. So not whole day, but actually in the afternoon lang po. It's a sacrifice that I as the coach and the rest of my colleagues are willing to make, since we don't have enough time. And I think it's a privilege too, though it's our resting time. It's a privilege too to take the name of the school and our community in such a place, So I think it's okay. I think it's okay.